B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Those are capital alphabets. And small alphabets. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z.